Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hopefully you guys are doing good. So today I'm gonna show you the new car I bought, which is a Honda CRV. So let me show you. It's a used one, not brand new, but here it is. A little bit imperfection here and there, especially on the front bumper has been hit, and other than that a couple scratches here and there. 143,000 miles, and it was pretty good deal. Little bit rust spot here. Other than that, I have to fix the bumper, but the bottom part of the bumper I'm gonna do the plastic dip and make it black, and the top one I'll do the shiny black, and this has to be in the other video. So this is how it looks so far, and let me show you the inside. Here is the inside, pretty clean, not too bad. So let me show you the back side. Ton of space. The reason to buy this car, to have more space. So this is why I bought this car. Ton of space in the trunk as well. So, but first thing first, you know, when you bought a used car, as you can see, the headlights are not clean enough. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clean the headlights. So yeah, if you do have any question about this, do let me know in the comment below. So this is 2011 model, and it's E-Extreme all-wheel drive. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just start cleaning the headlights first thing first. Alright guys, so lights are done. What do you think? So both sides are done. Coming off way too shiny in the camera. I think, yeah, that's a better angle. So I think they're pretty clean right now. The only issue is that when you do use these products, as you can see, I use this. It's pretty old. It's been with me for 2 years. I cleaned a couple of cars, 3-4 I guess, the car headlights, and this is the clear coat after that. A little bit left, maybe one more car, and that was a pretty good product I used on a couple of cars. So yeah, that's about it. I'll probably see you in the next one. Next, I have to do this bottom bumper. I will do the plastic dip, which is also I bought almost a year ago. Still here, did not use much. I have 2 cans, and after that I'll use this little bit clear coat on top of it. It's a plastic dip clear coat. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. I'll probably see you guys in the next one. Take care.